What's in a professional video production? Image quality, balanced composition, good lighting? Of course, but perhaps one of the most underrated parts of a professional video production is really not what you see, but what you hear. Hi, I'm Paulo Simões, and today we're discussing quality audio source. Recording good audio requires professional equipment, proper technique, and attention to background noise, recording levels, mic position, and acoustics. When audio is done right, it sounds great. But when it's not done right, chances are you'll sound like this. Can you tell the difference? Many times, distorted audio and background noise cannot be fixed in post-production, and it may ruin a great video, so don't underestimate the value of good quality audio. For more tips and tricks, visit us at briosmedia.com, and while there, make sure to view some of our projects. I'm Paulo Simões. See you next time.